In this video, I'll show you how to create a dramatic opening where the video appears in multiple slices, revealing the scene piece by piece. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline. This effect is designed to introduce the video in a structured way. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video enters the screen. Scroll through the animation list until you find Slice by Slice, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, the video is revealed in several segmented slices, creating a sharp and visually engaging intro. Use the duration slider to control how quickly each slice appears. Shorter duration makes the reveal fast and impactful. Longer duration slows it down, making each segment more noticeable and cinematic. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the slices appear in sync with your content or music. And that's it. You've successfully added a slice by slice reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.